Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to block text messages on your Android device. So let's get started. Open Google Messenger on your Android and make sure you're signed in to your account. When you're in the messaging app, find the conversation or contact you want to block. Tap the conversation or contact you want to block to open it. Now that you've opened the conversation, let's move on to the next step. Tap the three vertical dots or the menu button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with more options. In the Options menu, look for the option that says Block and Report Spam. Touch it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this contact. Confirm that it is. Tap OK. Block on the confirmation prompt to block the contact. And that is that. You have successfully blocked the contact and will no longer receive messages from them. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can easily block unwanted text messages on your Android device. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.